Okay, so good evening students. By the way, good evening po sa inyo. Sorry po, ngayon lang po ako naka-record ng ating discussion sa inyong module. Okay, so our topic for today is, for this evening is all about the application of the normal distribution. Okay, so it's more in real life application po ito, yung topic natin. Okay, involving the normal distribution. Okay, so let's discuss na dayon kay para mas madali ta. Okay, so the application of a normal distribution, so given a continuous random variable x that is normally distributed with mean and a standard deviation, we write x, okay, and n, standard deviation, mean and the standard deviation, where we shall transform the distribution into a standard normal distribution. So we can tell this curve represent a graph of the probabilities of the observed value of x and can be using the formula. So this is the formula of the in finding the z-score. Okay, z equals x minus mean over the standard deviation, where z is the standardized value of x and the x is the observed value, and the mean or the mu or mean, then the standard deviation or the SD. Okay, so we write the probability of z greater than or equal to z as probability to the left of z, then probability of z greater than or equal to z as probability to the right of z, and the probability z is greater than or equal to z sub 1 but less than or equal to z sub 2. Okay, as probability in between 2 z-score. Okay, student, we have in this given or in this example number 1, we have given problem here. Okay, so first, okay, as you observe in the in this example, okay, given na ang average or our mean. Okay, so take note, the average is always your middle or your midpoint in your graph. Okay, in your normal distribution or in your yung bell shape. Yan. If the wages are okay, example, a company pays its employees an average wage of 10,500 every month. Okay, every month. If the wages are approximately normally distributed with a standard deviation of 1,500. Okay, so take note, the standard deviation is 1,500. Okay, so the interval, okay, 1,500. Find the probability of the following. Okay, number 1, probability that an employee receives a monthly salary less than 8,900, less than, ha? Probability of employee receives a monthly salary between 7,500 to 12,000. Then the probability that an employee receives a monthly salary more than 10,000. Okay, so number 1, so let's solve. The probability that an employee receives a monthly salary less than 8,900. Okay, so pag less than, so it means less than. Okay, so baba siya. Okay, first, we need to write the given or our mean, then the standard deviation, and the probability of x, which is the 8,900. Okay, student, take note, our mean is 10,500. Always right in the middle. Okay, 10,500. Then take note, our SD or the standard deviation is 1,500. Okay, so the interval in our number line is minus lang, ha. 10,500 minus 1,500, so 9,000. Then 9,000 minus 1,575. Yan, so muna interval. Diri add pud ka og 1,5, so 11,000. Then 1,5 pud diri 12,5, then and 12,5 plus 1,5 is 14,000. Okay, so that would be your graph. Then after that, okay, just shade the region bounded in the 9,000, diba? Less than 9,000. Okay, yan. Ito, less than 9,000. Okay? So, by using the formula, okay, z equals x minus mean over the standard deviation, okay, Z equals, okay, student, 8,900, okay, yung given, di ba, less than 8,900. So, less than. So, negative yan. Okay, negative 8,900 minus, okay, our mean, that's 10,500, divided by 1/5, that is standard deviation. Okay, then, same, okay. Okay, so, something na wrong dari so dili siya negative. So 8,900 minus 10,500, so 16. Okay, so ignore yung negative dira kay namali na siya og type, so typo yan. So 8,900 minus 10,500, so 1,000 negative 1,600, then divided by 1/5, so negative divided by positive, so negative, di ba? Then the z-score is 1.07. Okay, so using the normal distribution area, katong na yung mga area ninyo, katong sa inyong module. So, please, pakilocate na lang po si z equals negative 1.07. Okay, so, the area under the z-score negative 1.07 is 14.23%. Okay, or 0.1423 times 100, 14.23%. Okay, so mao na ang area. Okay, so student, please write the conclusion po. Okay, so probability that an employee has a monthly salary less than 8,900. Okay, number 2. Okay, so we are done in the number 1. The next is number 2. Okay, probability that an employee receives a monthly salary between 7,500 and 12,000. Okay, so this is our given. Okay, so by applying or the mean 10,500 and the standard deviation, okay, so same lang po, copy lang yan yung given. Okay, so mean 10,500, the standard deviation is 1,500, then 7,500 na daw, then ang isa is probability is 12,000. Okay, so copy lang yung bill shape natin. Okay, then pakilocate na lang po. Okay, always write the 10,500 sa middle. Okay, mo na tong midpoint sa to ang number line. Okay, then 12,000, then na 7,500, di ba? Okay, then shade. Then after that, okay, first is we need to find the z sub 1, okay, which is the 7,500 ang kaninga the pita. Okay, 7,500 minus 10,500, we have negative 3,000. Okay, so 7,500, di ba, gamay, then minusan og dako, so negative 3,000 divided by the standard deviation, or which is our standard deviation is 1,500. So negative 3,000 divided by 1,500, we have negative 2. Then, so we are done in the z sub 1. Next is the z sub 2 equals x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, student. Okay, z sub 2 is 12,000, di ba? Okay. Oh, ito 12,000. So 12,000 minus 10,500 equals over 1,500. Okay, 12,000 minus 10,500, we have 1,500. Then divided by 1,500, we have 1. Okay, so after that, kung makuha na nimo ang z-score nila, then pakilocate na lang po sa area under the normal distribution, yung mga area ni z-score. Okay, so diba, ang z sub 1, ang iyang area is 0. The z sub 1, negative 2, ano eh, 0.0228. Then the standard z sub 2, yung z-score is 1, 0.8413. So, student, wala tayo gitawag nga area nga negative, ha? Basta area gani, positive na permente. So, highest minus lowest lang. Yan. Then, after that, 0.8185. So, convert into percent form. So, 0.8185 times 100, we have 81.85%. So, muna ang area niya, 81.85%. Ayan. Next is number 3. So, probability that an employee receives a monthly salary more than 10,000. Okay, so, write the given. Same lang given na. Then, ang probability of x is 10,000. Okay, so after that, locate si 10,000. So, na-address si 10,000. Yan. So, more than siya, more than man. Okay, so just shade na lang po. Going to the right. No. Yan. So, mo itong shaded region area. Okay, so using the formula, z equals x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So, x is 10,000. Okay, dala 10,000, oh. Minus mean, which is 10,500, divided by 1,500. So, 10,000 minus 10,500, we have negative 500. Then, divided by 1,500, negative 0.33. Then, after that, we have the z-score. So, just find the area under the normal distribution, or itong z-score na to ba. So, ang area niya is 0.3707. Okay, so always minus lang ng 1. Nga naman, kaya itong shade is nasa right. Diba? So, 1 minus 0.3707, we have 0.6293. So, ang kaning area is 0.6293. Okay, convert into percent. So, times 100 lang. Okay, so ang kanyang area is 62.93%. Okay, 62.93%. Okay, so in the quiz po, students, okay, just apply na lang po. Okay, yung mga kung usa itong i-discuss. Okay, so that would be our discussion for this evening po. Okay, so thank you so much, student, for listening our recorded discussion. Okay, so bye po, students. Good night.